Are you ready for war? For the walls to fall, for the chosen to rise. Born in the ashes of a wandering nation, carried the weight of a prophet's foundation. A shadow of Moses, sharpened by fire, raised by the desert, fueled by desire. Held by the promise of a land foretold, kneeling in dust but a heart made of gold. 12 spies went in, 10 came back afraid, but Joshua stood unbroken, unbetrayed. 40 years of wasteland scars, but I still march, guided by God. Splits wide, heaven is watching, an army behind. 7-day march, no blade lifted high, just a trumpet's blast tearing open the sky. Kings start falling like dust in my hands. God is the fire that conquers the land. Sun stands still, day refuses to die, 'cause Joshua commanded it, burn in the sky. Promised land baptized in war, every step paid in blood and roar. Swords of thunder. Joshua, swords of thunder. Take the land. Take. We march. We shout. The walls come down. We march. Let the kings get crowned. We march. Let the curses drown. We march. God brings this sound. I hear the beat song. I hear the voice that's tearing through the thunder. I hear the hold on. The lion roars and pulls my fear asunder. Breach Jericho fall. Your walls can't stand against the call. This is the war cry of the chosen. Joshua's swords of thunder.